Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. Welcome back to a vlog. It's another vlog, guys. Today is my son's birthday. He is turning 2 years, guys. Hey, yazini Aisha Motokulisi. Guys, anyway, so I'm taking him out to just to the mall in the yeah, that's that, and hey guys, I've been going through the most. I'm not sure if I will share that in this channel, but then let's just get on with the vlog now. I will share at the end of the vlog. I've been going through the most, guys, and that's why I wasn't even posting, because umgo nina umgo. Anyway, I hope you will enjoy this vlog. Please like, please subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. This morning we are celebrating my son's first second birthday, not first. It's a hi, it's a hello, guys. Yeah, awufuni najima ukwatile wena ulahlela le. Yeah, shayisa phansi lo athi go vele ubone ukuthi ayike tela ungibambe nami ungiveze bathi hlokwana yazi sesifonelisa ikhamera hello. Hey Lwandle. Ngiphosa. Wena. Ukakini? Aliphumelanga. Mhlawumbe umuntu December angathenga la. Ubhekeni lapha. Hayi abonhlakanipho bona. Uzobathini mara? Mara abantu bayibela kuba busy bathi he unonile unganalo nehips. Unganalo nehips. Hayi. He? Lo ugcoku 6 to 12. Yeah, wondile. Umntana mnazi icathulo ezinhle ngizomthengela zona. Phekele ngathi label ne. Ngathi label esire. Lobheka leli. Labantwana laba. This December ngicanga ukumthengela usize 4 ngoba ugcoku 3 manje. Zivele zikhule naye. Ngitawula naye. Uyenzani? Na ufuna lezi? Ufuna lezi? Unhlakanipho ziyadura into zabo ma 180 gone. Izinhle lezi tunga lo ngithi izinhle zonke. I can't go empahleni fast. Hey shwen. Lo muntu lo busy uyangifonela. Baloba kufonela noma off way. Yo. Yeah? Ufuna lezi? Zinhle. Tisokobe mba. Kichima. Kichimisa ulwandle. Yo mara mntanami wena. Azikho ne? Yo, hayi mntanami lezi ngiyokuthengela lezi by 5 by 4. Yeah? Yo, 100 rand. Angazigcoka ngenye 16. Yeah? And una size yakho la. Ziphi? Oh, lezi zilapha ne? Ufuna lezi wena? Iza ngibo? Angizwani mina ke nicathule sopla size yakho usethe blaze hey wena bisala lezi amabhunu ayinhlakanipho hayi asiphumeni sebaqalile umuntu ukhalelana nezinto asihambeni ne yabona Mr. Price Kids yaba yini wena ibichapis ipa uzowa guys, we are done eating, we are going home now. It's late guys, we had a lot of drinks like it's 5 o'clock now and I'm just worried to go to Suzoitola it takes, but hopefully, and we can't even find the entrance out of this mall, so I'm not ngikhumbula FNB akusingapha akusiyiko ngapha akusiko na nala sophumaphi yazi I think kungale but kule floor le ngoba kuphezulu ne asiyeni le woza lwandle yo sisenkingeni nina asazi ukuthi singene no la ngiyake bekune gym but bengasi fitness ntontoni